The first thing that I will do is to stay stitch around the neckline and armhole curves. This is a longer stitch, about 6 to 8 stitches per inch. You can take a scrap and test it to see how it works on your fabric. And I'm starting at the shoulder inside the 1/4 inch seam allowance and working down to the center back of the blouse. I don't need to back tack because I will overlap the seams. The thing to do in this case is to work from the shoulder to center back and then flip it around and work from the other shoulder to center back. That way you're stitching in the same direction and pushing the fabric the same way. Because the stitching is overlapped at center back, you do not need to back tack. And at the armholes, start at the shoulder and work to the underarm, again inside the seam allowance.